Hello students, today I will teach you the first chapter of class 9th mathematics, that is number system. So before starting the number system, I want to introduce you the number 3 as you the number 3 you have learned in the last classes. So first number 3 is divided into two categories, that is real numbers and imaginary numbers. So what are real numbers? Real numbers are categorized into two numbers, that is irrational and rational numbers. So rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. The examples of rational numbers are 2 upon 3, 7 upon 9, etc. And the irrational numbers, the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q, the examples of these numbers are root 2, root 3, etc. So further dividing the rational numbers, we will divide it into two categories, that is integers and second one are fraction numbers. So integers and fraction numbers. So fraction numbers, as you have learned the fractions, the numerator upon denominator, the numbers which can be written in the form of numerator upon denominator are known as fraction number, whereas the integers are again divided into three categories, the negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, as you have shown in the number line. In between the number line, that is 0, and the right side of 0 it is positive number and left side it is negative number. So further dividing of positive integers, we will find it, the first one is whole numbers and second one is natural numbers. So what are natural numbers and what are whole numbers? So natural numbers are those numbers which started from 1 and till infinite. So these are known as natural numbers. And second one is whole numbers. The whole number is 0 includes natural numbers. Okay? Means whole numbers are those numbers which includes 0 and natural numbers. So all the natural numbers are included in the whole numbers. Further moving on the natural numbers again categorized into four categories: the prime numbers, composite number, even number and odd numbers. So prime numbers, my question is to you that what are prime numbers, what are composite number, what are even numbers and what are odd numbers, because you have learned these all from the class seconds. So okay, I am telling you this time. So first one is prime number. What is prime number? The number which has only two factors, that is known as prime numbers. The example of this number is prime numbers 2 and 3 etc. Means if we factorize the 2, we will find that the factors of 2 is 2 and 1. So 2 is the smallest prime number. And second one is composite number. So composite number, the numbers which have more than two factors are known as composite numbers. If I will tell you the example of this. So 4, 6, these are all the examples of composite numbers. Now again, third number is even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which can be divided in the form, which can be divided by 2, which can completely divided by 2, is known as even numbers. So the examples of this is 2, 4, 6, Next is odd numbers. So the numbers which cannot be divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. So examples of this number is 1, 3, 5, etc. Thank you for listening me.